Okay guys, it's still Tuesday, April 6, 2021. We're in the backyard now. Going to give it its first cut. But let me take you back to earlier this year. I want you to take a look at how the grass looked prior to putting down the Crabgrass Preventer. And then we're gonna come back and take a look at what it looks like now. Raking makes the world of difference, folks. Open it up a little bit. Let's put some crabgrass killer down. Welcome back. All right, let's compare it. Now, what do you guys think? It doesn't look bad at all. I mean, again, I put that crabgrass preventer down. It's also a feeder, and the grass looks like it looks pretty good. It looks healthy. It just looks good. It looks like it came up. It's coming up well so far. So the only issue is I shouldn't have fertilized this area because the grill sits over here, as you can see. So those granulars didn't get in the ground, but I like what I see so far, guys. Not bad. This is what you want to see. So let's get started. I had to interrupt the program. This is the stuff I'm talking about. Boy. It's doing a great job too. So far, so good. Quick reminder, as I was emptying out the bag to the lawnmower, I noticed that a lot of the grass was very damp. You should cut your grass. Some people suggest, the experts suggest twice a week. It might be okay to do it every 5 to 7 days. I plan on doing it every 5 days to start the season. I want to keep I don't want too much moisture in the yard, because what will happen is the fungus will set in and your grass will start turning brown. So just keep that in mind. Cut it at least every 5 to 7 days, and if you bump up your schedule, twice a week, according to some of the experts. Again, guys, this is just the first cut of the backyard. I can't do anything today regarding edging or using the blower. I did some garage maintenance the other day. I was really just trying to spray some spider killer, and I took my blower and was just cleaning out the garage. So just a little maintenance, but so this is going to be it for the backyard. But I just think looks okay. Got some brown, but it came up well. I'm sure that'll change soon. All the snow and the mold and stuff really did a number on the yard, but I think it's coming back. So thanks for watching. You guys take care. Remember, take care of your families, take care of your bodies, take care of your lawns too. Bye.